Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into GoMining. Maybe you've already heard about it, but the website still feels confusing. Where to find your miners, how to upgrade them, or where to check promotions. If that's you, this video is for you. If not, no worries. You can always check out my other videos on the channel. As always, this is not financial advice. And if you're discovering GoMining for the first time, click the link in the description and use my code JustBen for 5% cashback. So let's start with the main dashboard. This is the first page you'll see when you log into GoMining, and it's really the place where everything begins. Here, you can see the number of miners you own, your total computing power in my case, 1 TH, your energy efficiency, and your discounts. The lower your efficiency value, the less you pay in fees. And with discounts, you can reduce your costs even further. From this screen, you can also create a new miner, upgrade your existing miners, or improve your discount. In short, this is your cockpit to manage your entire farm. Now let's look at the main menu. The site is divided into several sections. MyMiner, where you manage your miners and create new ones. Marketplace. Here you can buy miners from the secondary market. MinerWar Solo. If you don't join MinerWar, you are automatically in solo mode, so there's nothing else to set up. And then you also have sections like Governance, Launchpad, and Academy, which we'll cover later on. Once you understand these key areas, you'll have the basics of how GoMining works. One of the first questions you'll probably have is, where can I see my rewards? There are two ways. The first one is the rewards page. Here you can see all the details, your daily Bitcoin rewards, the electricity and service fees, and how your discounts apply. It's very complete, but it can feel a bit technical at first. The second way, much simpler, is through the wallet. Here you see your balance directly, how much you have in Bitcoin, and how much in GoMining tokens. This is the easiest place to check your earnings every day. And right next to it, you'll also find the promotions section. That's where you can access your bonus miner, bounty reward, and your referral codes if you want to share GoMining with others. So, rewards for the details, wallet for the quick view, and promotion for your bonuses. Now that you know where to check your rewards, let's talk about how they're generated. In GoMining, there are two modes, Solo and MinerWar. Solo gives you stable and predictable rewards as you have seen in the reward section. MinerWar is the competitive mode with clans and leagues. I won't go into details here because I already made a full video on this topic. You'll find the link in the description if you want to dive deeper. And that's it for this quick tour of the GoMining ecosystem. Now you know where to find your miners, how to check your rewards, and where to access promotions. This video was only a general overview to help you navigate the website. If you want to go deeper, I've already made dedicated videos, like one on Solo versus MinerWar, and I'll publish more soon on lock, governance, and other modules. So make sure to check them out, and as always, you'll find all the links in the description below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.